all alone. Oh. You know, I woke up this morning, my Lucy was no inside. I'm afraid nobody but all he left was tired. Baby, get yourself back home. Speaking to you, baby, no, 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 no. Please don't leave me, please don't leave me, please. All right. She was nowhere in sight. I bet my body, hardly lip was tied out. Baby, please don't leave me all alone. I'm on the telephone, baby. Better get yourself back home. I gotta tell you, just